Shilajit is a sticky substance found primarily in the rocks of the Himalayas. It develops over centuries from slow decomposition of plants. It's commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine. It's an effective and safe supplement, and it can have a positive effect on your overall health and your well-being. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder, and it causes problems with memory, behavior, and thinking. Drug treatments are available to improve the symptoms of Alzheimer's, but based on the molecular composition of Shilajit, some researchers believe this may also slow the progression. The primary components are antioxidants known as fulvic acid. This powerful antioxidant contributes to cognitive health by preventing the accumulation of tau proteins. Tau proteins are an important part of the nervous system, but a buildup can trigger brain cell damage. Researchers think the fulvic acid can stop the abnormal buildup of the tau protein and reduce the inflammation, potentially improving the Alzheimer's symptoms. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone, but some men have lower levels than others. Some signs of low testosterone can include a low sex drive, hair loss, loss of muscle mass, fatigue, and increased body fat. In one clinical study of male volunteers between the age of 45 and 55, half of the participants were given a placebo, and the other half given 250 milligrams of purified Shilajit twice a day. After 90 consecutive days, the study found the participants who had received the Shilajit had significantly higher testosterone levels compared to the placebo. Chronic fatigue syndrome is a long-term condition, and it causes extreme tiredness and fatigue. It can make it difficult to go to work or school, and simple everyday activities can prove to be challenging. Researchers think the Shilajit can reduce the symptoms of the chronic fatigue syndrome and restore energy. Chronic fatigue syndrome has been associated with mitochondrial dysfunction. This occurs when the cells don't produce enough energy. In a study from 2012, researchers gave lab rats Shilajit for 21 days, and then they induced chronic fatigue syndrome by forcing the rats to swim for 15 minutes for 21 consecutive days. The results found the Shilajit helped to reduce the effects of the chronic fatigue syndrome. They think this was the result of the Shilajit helping to prevent the mitochondrial dysfunction. Based on these results, naturally boosting your body's mitochondrial function may help to improve your energy levels. Since Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid, a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, it can also protect against free radicals and cellular damage. As a result, the regular use may contribute to longevity, slower aging process, and overall better health. A higher altitude can trigger a number of symptoms like pulmonary edema, insomnia, lethargy or feeling tired or sluggish, body pain, dementia, and hypoxia. Altitude sickness can be triggered by low atmospheric pressure, cold temperatures, or high wind velocity. Researchers think the Shilajit can help you to overcome the high altitude problems. It contains fulvic acid and more than 84 minerals, so it offers numerous health benefits. It can function as an antioxidant to improve the body's immunity and memory, and an anti-inflammatory and an energy booster, and as a diuretic to remove excess fluid from the body. Because of these benefits, it is thought to help to counteract many of the symptoms that are associated with higher altitudes. Iron deficiency anemia can result from a low iron diet, blood loss, or the inability to absorb iron. The symptoms include fatigue, weakness, cold hands and feet, headache, and irregular heartbeat. Shilajit supplements can gradually increase the iron levels. A study divided 18 rats into 3 groups. The researchers induced anemia in the second and the third group. Rats in the third group received 500 milligrams of Shilajit after 11 days. The researchers collected blood samples from all the groups on day 21. The results revealed the rats in the third group had higher levels of hemoglobin, hematocrit, and red blood cells compared to the rats in the second group. These are all vital components of your blood. Shilajit is also a safe supplement for male infertility. In one study, a group of 60 infertile men took it twice a day for 90 days after meals. At the end of the 90-day period, more than 60% of the participants showed an increase in total sperm count. More than 12% had an increase in sperm motility. Sperm motility refers to the ability of the sperm in a sample to move adequately, an important part of the fertility. Shilajit as a dietary supplement can also improve heart health. Researchers tested the cardiac performance on lab rats. After receiving the pre-treatment with the supplement, some rats were injected with isoprothanol. This is to induce heart injury. The study found the rats who were given the Shilajit prior to the cardiac injury had fewer cardiac lesions. You shouldn't take Shilajit if you have sickle cell anemia, hematocrosis or too much iron in the blood, or thalassemia. It's possible to be allergic to the supplement. You should stop taking it if you develop a rash, an increased heart rate or dizziness. The recommended dose is 300 to 500 milligrams per day. For more information about herbs, supplements and natural treatment plans, check out my website.